Finding valid coupon codes for the Crocs website is a simple and effective way to save money on your purchases. Begin by opening your web browser and using a search engine like Google to find websites that offer coupons. One popular option is couponfollow.com, which provides a wide range of free coupons for various retailers, including Crocs. Once on couponfollow.com, use the search function to locate Crocs coupons specifically. After selecting the Crocs option, you'll likely be directed to the official Crocs website, where you can browse through available discount codes. These codes may offer savings such as $50 off or 20% discount. When you find a coupon that interests you, click on the Show Coupon Code button to reveal the code. It's important to carefully review the offer details associated with each coupon to ensure it meets your needs and requirements. Some discounts may have conditions such as minimum purchase amounts or expiration dates. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily find and utilize working coupon codes for the Crocs website, allowing you to enjoy significant savings on your footwear purchases. Happy shopping!